In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the black screen issue on your Amazon TV Fire Stick. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. It's actually very simple to go ahead and fix it. You're going to need your remote. Your physical remote is what you're going to go ahead and need. So obviously mine loaded right now. But let's say yours didn't. Get your remote. What you want to do is hold and long press your pause button. So you pause and play. And then your middle button, your select button together, hold it down together for about 10 seconds. This is going to register on your TV after about 10 seconds, and it's going to go ahead and restart. As you can see, it says your Fire TV is turning off, and it's going to go ahead and restart your Fire Stick just as it did right there. And it's literally as simple as that. So anytime it's completely frozen, you're not able to press anything like that, all you got to do is select your select button and your play and pause button, and then your Fire TV Stick is going to fully restart. And the cool thing is, if your remote's not working as well, you can use your phone as a remote as well, which we have other videos for, but you can also do this method using that as well. And it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe, and check out our other Fire Stick TV videos on the channel.